Figma has introduced its latest feature, Figma Slides, a powerful presentation tool for designers and their teammates in Figma. Let's explore its features and see how it is helpful for designers. Figma Slides is an innovative feature within Figma that allows you to create, design, and present slides directly in the app. It seamlessly integrates with your existing design workflow, making presentations a natural extension of your creative process. Figma Slides has a design mode option where designers can access favorites like auto layout, design libraries, and other properties. Now, designers can work together with their team on a slide, drive alignments, share opinions live, and make the presentation more interactive by embedding live prototypes in it. Here are a few features that designers will love to use. Number 1, interactive design implementation. Enhance your presentation with interactive elements. Link frames to create clickable buttons and use Figma's prototyping features to simulate transitions and animations between slides. Number 2, grid view option. Now you can easily see your entire presentation from a bird's eye view by zooming out. You can also select a whole group of slides and easily navigate from one section to another in your presentation. Number 3, design mode on. In Figma Slides, you can enable Figma design tools to access auto layout, advanced properties, and all your favorite design features. Number 4, present confidently. Say goodbye to those moments during your presentations. With Figma Slides, you can utilize the presenter view to write all your presentation notes and preview the next slides seamlessly. Start using it today to elevate your design workflow. Follow us for more updates.